In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background in Krita using the similar color selection tool. We're going to keep this simple and effective so you can get a clean cutout fast. First, go to Krita and have your image open on the canvas. You'll see your main toolbar on the left and your layers and brush settings on the right. If your background is a solid or mostly uniform color, this method will work especially well, but it can also handle slightly varied backgrounds with a bit of care. Next, select the Similar Color Selection tool. This tool looks for areas of similar color and builds a selection around them, which is perfect for targeting a background without touching your subject. With the tool active, click directly on the background in your image. You should see a selection appear around the area you clicked. This selection essentially protects your subject and isolates the background, so you can work confidently without worrying about cutting into the main picture. Now switch to the Brush tool and change it to Eraser mode. In Krita, this turns your brush into an eraser while keeping the feel and size you prefer, which makes it easy to work along edges. With the background selected and your brush set to erase, start erasing inside that selected area. The selection acts like a boundary, so your subject stays safe while you remove the background. Take your time around edges, zoom in if needed to clean up fine details like hair or small gaps. If you notice parts of the background that weren't included in the selection, click those areas with the Similar Color Selection tool and continue erasing. Repeat as needed until the background is completely gone. You should see a checkerboard pattern where the background used to be, which indicates transparency. Once you're happy with the result, go to File and click Export. Export saves a copy of your work in the format you choose, which is ideal for sharing or using the image elsewhere. If you want to keep the transparent background, choose a format that supports transparency, like PNG. Pick a file name and location you'll remember, confirm the settings, and export. That's it. You've just removed a background in Krita using a quick, selection-based workflow that keeps your subject safe while you erase. Practice this on a few images to get a feel for how the selection behaves, and you'll be able to create clean cutouts in no time.